Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Khaite double unboxing. In the last couple months, I've been adding some more Khaite pieces to my small but growing collection. This is actually one of the Khaite sweaters I've recently added, but I'm obsessed with Khaite. I love her sophisticated and timeless designs with more of those modern edgy details. Definitely one of those quiet luxury minimalist brands, and many of you that follow me also have a similar aesthetic. So we will kick things off with the unboxings, and then we will deep dive into more about the Khaite brand and some of the best-selling items. So let's get right into it. My first item is the series off-shoulder jersey, and it's in this gorgeous off-white color. It's more ivory than it is like a pure white, and that's actually one of the reasons why I really love this piece. I love the draping on it. There's something with Khaite's draping. It's gorgeous. You may recall seeing this on Meghan Markle. It was this exact piece. Super cute with some light denim jeans and some sandals, and it's like casual chic vibes. This is a bodysuit as well, and it's really comfortable. I did take a medium in this, and I think that was the right size for me. I pretty much wear like a size 8 in these type of tops from Khaite. Really interesting with the draping, so I really love adding this piece. The best part was it was on sale. My next unboxing is the Matty top. Yes, this is in this beautiful camel color. I love this colorway. I think it looks really nice, and of course it's one of my signature camel brown type of colors. I was debating getting this in the white, but I felt that since I got that other top in that creamy off-white, this would be perfect. And I think with fall coming up, could you imagine this with some like darker denim, some booties, maybe even like some croc booties? I think that would be such just a chic combination. But I love this colorway, especially as we head toward fall. And this is one of their most popular tops, I would say, when it comes to knitwear. And I did get this in a size medium. This one I did pay full price, unfortunately. And what was interesting at the time, they did have the white one on sale, so I was very tempted. But both, even with these prices being on sale, it's still pricey. I think this is worth it because you can definitely layer with it. It's the perfect color. I'd get a lot of use, especially when I'm going out, and I really love this one. Next up, I thought we'd go a little bit more in depth on Khaite, more behind the brand. What are some of the best-selling items? Khaite was founded in 2016 by Catherine Holstein. Names inspired by Catherine's middle name, Khaite, and the Greek word Khaite, which means long flowing hair. Khaite is known for her shirting, her jeans, and her knitwear. Catherine will call these items cherished items, otherwise known as basics. Catherine is from London and California. She moved to Parsons to pursue design. From 2009 to 2014, Catherine worked for a variety of brands, including Gap, Vera Wang, and the Elder Statesman. According to CFDA, her career began when the buyer, Julie Gilhart, picked up her junior thesis for Barney's New York. You could see Catherine's designs in over 40 stores worldwide. I think Khaite was really on the map back with Katie's Home viral moment when she was hailing a cab wearing the cashmere scarlet cardigan with the bralette combo. That went out to sell out and really put Khaite on the map. In November of 2022, Catherine was named CFDA Women's Wear Designer of the Year. Since then, you can see this brand on a variety of celebrities, including Hailey Bieber, Sophia Richie, Katie Holmes, Kendall Jenner. Let's deep dive into some of the iconic pieces from Khaite. Let's talk about the scarlet cardigan. Do I need another one? You guys recall I unboxed that scarlet cardigan in that beautiful barley color. I love it. It's in this very luxe cashmere and it feels so nice on. And I'm very tempted to add another color. I love the custard. There's a camel. Those are probably my top two picks. Those of you that have the scarlet cardigan, do you have just one or do you have more than one? I could see it go either way, but it's a very expensive cardigan and I feel like I need to get enough wear to justify having both cardigans. The next item is the Diana cashmere cardigan. This is a short sleeve cardigan. I'm in love with this custard color. It looks like a classic silhouette, beautiful colors, and I could see adding this one to my collection. That would be something I'd probably wear right now as we're starting to head from summer into fall, and that would just be a great versatile piece for my closet. The Joe cashmere top, I think that is such an iconic piece. I love that V-neck silhouette. It's very classic and I think it's so luxe in that cashmere. It's certainly more casual, chic type of vibes. I pair it with some nice denim blue jeans. I think that's a great look. My handbag pick is the Olivia Hobo bag. I talked about this bag in the taupe color. I think that's such a beautiful shade in the leather. However, they recently added this more chocolate coffee brown color. I think that is gorgeous. And it's suede. If I'm going to get a suede bag, I would definitely get a darker suede. So that brown suede is so good. Let me know if you guys have any Khaite handbags. I'd be curious what your thoughts are. I'm very tempted. It's at a decent price point considering that a lot of these designer handbags we're talking over $2,000–$3,000, and so Olivia handbag is around like $1,600. I also want to call out the boots. Last season I was tempted by the Croc booties, but I think going into this season I would probably just do classic black, brown, or even a white. I love that more short booty. I think that would be super cute with a lot of my fall dresses and denim. Let me know what you guys think of that one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any Khaite pieces that you would recommend. I love to check them out so I could potentially add them to my collection. Okay, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care.